Alright, what's good, YouTube? What's going on? It is Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday today. And let me check. Yes, it's Tuesday today. And today, I was looking at the market. Today, my bias was neutral, really, because it was still consolidating. After a little bit, like it's been playing in this range for a little bit. So I'm like, okay, um, I'ma just I'm gonna just wait and see what price does, see what price wants to do, because here we got higher lows forming, but then we got lower lows forming and lower highs. So it's like the market didn't know really, uh, the market didn't know where to go. So I was like, let me just wait and let's see what price wants to do, right? So going into today, my bias was neutral, and I didn't take a trade today. I didn't see nothing I liked. Now that I see it's like, dang, I wish I would have took something, right? But I didn't. I didn't take anything. So let's start off. So when the day started, I woke up, let's say like 6:30 a.m. my time. Um, so I woke up around here, and I was just doing my analysis and stuff like that. And I saw this fib because I like to use the Fibonacci a lot. Um, and I saw I hit my purple level, which my purple level means okay. There's a possibility of a reversal happening, right? So I was like, okay, let me let me see if I can find something, right? So I noticed this. For this downtrend to keep going, we must make another uh, a higher low, right? So we made this last higher low right here. So I was expecting the market to make a another higher low, but instead we made an equal high right here. So with that being said, we made an equal high, right? Eventually we get to break a structure right here that breaks these highs. We get to break a structure. We get to break a structure there. So I'm like, okay, let me pull out my fib. I think the market wants to go higher, right? So I also see a head and shoulders. I love the head and shoulders pattern. Um, Obviously, this is kind of ugly one, but I can kind of see it right here, just a little bit. Let me see if I can make that a little bit better for y'all. Like this little head and shoulders pattern, um, and I love that pattern. So I pull out my Fibonacci, and I see that okay, it's hitting my entry zone right here on the 5 minute, right? It's hitting my entry zone. Let me see if we can find something. Usually I like to go in under engulfings, but I noticed that this candle did engulf this candle, but the wick was stronger, so I didn't like that engulfing because um it already hit my take profit. So I'm like, okay, let me hit my foot. For me, this one, this would have been my engulfing right here, but obviously, that is too big. It's already it takes my take profit, all that. So I didn't like it at all, right? So I'm like, you know what? Um, let's let's start right here. Let's see if we can get another one. I pulled it out, dragged it out. I don't see it coming into this yellow zone. So that means I didn't want to take a trade. Even though it did decide to go up, I didn't want to take that risk because it hasn't retraced into my yellow zone at least, right? So, I mean, there is definitely opportunity here um, to just go long, but like I said, the retracement didn't happen further enough for me to be like, okay, let me enter the trade because obviously that's not my trading rules. I got to follow my trading rules, even though I was so eager to get into the market today. I was like, I got to follow my trading rules, and I did just that, right? And even though this one hit my yellow zone right here, uh, my entry would have been, you know, right here, and I would have got stopped out. I use a 4-point stop loss,
The
and I
markets
would have
are
got stopped
open.
out, right? So we don't want that. So I'm glad I recognized that, and yeah. So what I ultimately wanted to happen, right, is that for we see this resistance right here, right? So we see this resistance. I wanted when it retraced, I wanted it to tap this resistance, maybe get a little engulfing like this right here, or actually like this right here, little engulfing like this down here. I would have took that trade immediately. Probably would have took it, you know, maybe 10 pips or something like that. Uh, Maybe not 10 pips, 10 points. 10 points. I probably would have took it. But like I said, the market didn't give me that opportunity today. So I'm like, okay, you know what? I see it going up, but hey, I have no reason to enter the market right now. So as far as my trading plan, so I'm like, I'm not going to enter. So yeah, man. That's basically uh, what happened today. Show y'all, yeah, I did not take any trades at all. But yeah, the market moved clean today. Honestly, it moved clean. You know, it targeted these highs over here, targeted these highs over here. So the market did move clean, but like I said, it didn't give me an opportunity to enter the market according to my trading plan, right? So I'm not just gonna enter off of FOMO, right? Fear of missing out. I'm not gonna enter just because of that, because that can really bite me in the butt. Okay, so I don't want to do that. Like I said, um, today was a great day just to look at the market, see what the market did, um, and just recognize these patterns over and over again, um, and just wait for it to hit my yellow zone, and we'll see. I mean, we also had a trend line right here, possible trend line right here. I don't like that one actually. Maybe this one is too steep. I don't like it. But yeah, you know, it happens. It happens. So I'm not mad today. Didn't take no trades. But yeah, guys, I'll keep you updated tomorrow. Um, I just wanted to show y'all why I didn't take a trade today, um, and the reasons behind it. So thank y'all for watching. Jesus loves y'all. Peace.